Hey everyone, how are you? I hope that you are doing well. And today I am very excited about this video because this is a haul video, Purple haul video. I hope that you might have seen in the title. So I ordered something on Purple and the parcels have arrived today. So I will share what I have ordered, and in this product, I mean in this parcel, there are some beginner essentials that someone need, and also I have some biotic products and many more things. So please keep watching this video. And this is for Durga Puja, and Durga Puja is very imminent. We all are excited about that. We are going to buy many things, like more shopping is yet to come. So without further ado, let's get started. So which parcel should I open first? Okay, let's open the first. Actually, when I received the first parcel, I have opened this and I have used some of these products. So this has become old, but I wanted to show it to you so that it can help you. So the first product that I'm going to show is the primer. It is Blue Heaven primer. See, it is Blue Heaven primer. It is a silicone based primer. So if you have oily skin, then you can use it. I have oily skin, so I just use this. I mean I just have bought this to experiment and just to check if it works on my skin. So yeah, I just ordered this for that. The next product that I have is NYPay compact powder. I hope you can see. It has SPF 40 and it is in the shade Nora's Honey Look 6. I have used this. So even I am using this right now. Still I am sweating a lot. Anyway, I love this product. The smell of this product, it reminds me of my childhood, and I love this product. The next thing that I have is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. It is for normal to oily skin. I hope the camera is focusing. It is in the shade 238 Rich Tan. So this is really perfect for my skin tone. Actually, I have bought another foundation from Fit Me and the shade was 230. That was a shade lighter for my skin tone, so I ordered this and this actually matches my skin tone, and I'm really happy for that I am successful choosing the right foundation online. But I don't know if it oxidizes, then how it will look, but we'll see that. Anyway, the next product that I have is NYPay lipstick. It is in the shade 19, Marvelous Michelle 19, and it has a pinkish color, though it looks like it is red or maroon. The camera in the camera it is looking like pink, but the bullet is looking like maroon or red. But when you apply it, I'm going to see kind of pink or red color it has. And I have applied this for a few times, but I don't like the color. Actually, I ordered this. I thought that it is red or maroon kind of shade, but it is not. So I don't know what will I do with that. Maybe I will. Maybe I will use this sometime. But it's okay. Anyway, the next product that I have is Fit Me concealer. Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It is in the shade 25 medium. I have used this for many times, like 5 to 6 times after I bought this. But it has a shade which is lighter than me, but I don't know. It is when I apply this, it looks very cakey. I don't know why. Maybe I make any mistake applying this, but it looks cakey. So next product that I have is again a lipstick from NYPay. NYPay Shakti lipstick, liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Sassy Shamba. It is in the shade 7, which is called Sassy Shamba. Let me show you. This lipstick is in a love. I didn't expect like this color. This is truly amazing. I'll show you. Just see, this has a deep maroon kind of shade, and I just love this color. I have applied this once, and it really dries quickly, and it also transfer proof. So yeah, the next product that I have is brushes. It is HP Bronson Professional brushes. It has 7 brushes. I think it has 7 brushes like this. And one con of this product is this is very tiny. I did not expect this small brush. Anyway, and the color they showed was black, And the product I got is kind of a golden color like this. I expected black. Anyway, uh, I have used this. This is kind of pretty much good, but not not up to the mark. So the next product that I'm going to show is an eyeliner. This is Stick Quirky Eyeliner, Badass Eyeliner. This is what I'm wearing now. I know you can't see because I have applied a little product on my eyes. So this looks like this. And one thing that it comes with a stick, not a brush that we are used to use. Like it. This part is not. It does not bend. Like I am showing you. This is kind of a. Oh my god. This is kind of a stick. Yes, you can see. Yes, this is kind of a stick. It is not a brush. So if you are a beginner, then it can help you, and it helps to. Product that I have. Oh my god, I have to open this. The next product that I have is Biotic Bio Soya Protein Shampoo. Yes, Biotic Bio Soya Protein Shampoo, and it is for dry and damaged and color treated hair. The next product that I have is Biotic Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub, and I just wanted to try this, so I got this. The last product that I have is this Sweet Beauty Liquid Concealer. Oh my god, it looks very big, but the product is very small. I'll show you. See? Like this. It is like this, and when I see the product, when I saw this packet, I was like, oh my god, such a big concealer in this price. But when I opened this is like it, and it has, let me swatch the product. This is Maybelline, and this is Swiss Beauty. It is lighter from lighter from the Maybelline product. So yeah. And I also have bought a conditioner from Biotic, which is not in there because that parcel came separately. So I will share the photo here, which is Biotic conditioner. I don't remember the name, but I will link the product also, and like this you can see this product. So that was it. I hope that it was not a helpful video. I hope that you enjoyed it actually because I love to see haul videos on YouTube. So I thought that you will also love it to see my kind of version. So that was it. That was my shopping for Durga Puja, and my hand is dirty. So okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely come back with another video. Till then, just take care of yourself and be happy and stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you so much.